Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover the activities which are related for the social development of the child for 2 to 3 year old. When we talk about socializing, immediate what it comes to our mind is child has to have the company of other children to mingle or socialize. But till the age of 3 years, we always suggest parents that if they have rather than the similar age group, if they have the care of an adult, it is much better. The foundation for the socializing improves very good with an adult. The main reason is under socializing the basic values and morals like sharing, helping, caring, empathy. It is child to child is more of competitive in nature, fighting and more to prove I am better or you are better. So in that level, because child is more of a self-centered in nature, but when the child interacts with an adult, so there is a lot of possibility for a child as a role model to learn the pattern of sharing, because many times the adult shares whatever and mellows down the calming and soothing and helping the child to go with the flow and caring a lot of things where we say as sharing and caring. All these things which are very prominent in socializing is being learnt by the child with the adult interaction. So in this scenario of COVID where the child cannot go to the preschool, we would suggest this will be a very ideal situation wherein a very strong foundation can be given related with the socializing. One is you can do a lot of activities with the child where you get to say a lot of magical words with the child, probably please, excuse me, sorry, wishing them, or all these things which are which is very essential when the child also does some mistake. So saying sorry, or no, if anything the child wants, asking with the please. All these things helps the child a lot. So do a lot of activities. Probably when you're doing art and craft activity or related to that, you have only one color of black crayon, or one color of only one red crayon, so that there is a chance of sharing which is required when you're drawing or coloring. You will be doing parallelly if you're doing the activity with the child. If you're drawing something and your child is also drawing something and both of you are in the art time, so only one crayon is there, then the child has to share, wait for its turn, or you have to wait for your turn. So any activity for that matter, the child might want to help you in the kitchen, probably rolling the chapati, or when you've got the groceries, the child wants to keep it to the place or help you with all these things. So saying thank you to the child, if anything you have heard. So there is all these things. When you're having activity along with the child, you can use this as an opportunity for the child to make this very strong. And along with this, the facial expression, the voice modulation, the tone of how you use, and the child how you talk to the different people, like not only the elders in the family, or probably to the relatives, or to the maid, or to the person who gives anything delivery to your house. So when you talk, how you talk, and the way you are doing it, all these things comes into socializing. Or if you're helping someone in need, probably your maid, or somebody who is in need, probably your neighbor, so the child observes all these things. So you can use this opportunity where you are interacting with your child, and this will be a very strong and best foundation for your child if you're consciously bringing all these things in your interaction with your child. Apart from this, you have other activities of story narration which can be done orally, or with the book, or with the role plays, with the drama like skit like you can do as story narration. This is in story narration, the language, the child is able to pick up the lot of vocabulary words along with the fun, joy and entertainment. which comes with the storytelling. And again, keep the story very small, short stories, and the stories which are positive in nature. This can be one ideal way of giving activity of socializing. Along with this, for your entertainment, for your child's entertainment, the music can be put, and the dance steps. You can vary the steps. You can do a fast track sound and then again a mellow dance sound. So different varieties of music can be played and can be had as fun. Apart from the singing music, story, talking to the child, day-to-day activities when you're cooking or keeping the vegetables back in the fridge, or whatever groceries you have got, keeping it back. So you can name the object what you're using, and then give it to the child's hand to keep it to the place. Ask the child for a lot of help also in your normal day-to-day chores, because the child wants to help you, probably folding the clothes or sweeping, mopping, allowing the child to help. When you're doing all these things, it will be a double the work, and it will be a mess when you're doing an activity. So have those extra buffer time in place and have that mood to clean up after the activity, because it's in the long run, it will be a very memorable activity what you have done with your child. Hope all these activity will bring the necessary social skills which is required for your child.